Well, welcome everyone. This is Jeannie White from Social Connections on Passionate World Radio. And today we are doing a video call with Rick Hamill. He is in Villages in Florida, and he is an entrepreneur, and he has two different types of businesses he's going to discuss today. One is the shop.com, and the other one is a card company. So welcome, Rick.
Well, thank you, Jeannie, for having me on this morning.
Yeah, me too. I am grateful for that. So how do you want to approach this? First, want to talk about shop.com?
Yeah, we'll talk about shop.com.
Yeah.
It's a new way of shopping. They're shaking up the shopping world. It's shop.com was purchased by Market America, and they've been around for 26 years. And the owner of the company, J.R. Lindbergh, J.R. Reidinger, he has a vision that some people can't even imagine. Okay, the old way of shopping is the manufacturer would make the product, send it to a wholesale company. The wholesale company would send it to the retail stores, and then the customer would purchase the product. And everybody's happy. They exchanged their money for the gift. Now, along came Amazon. They went from the manufacturer to Amazon, a wholesale club. Amazon's not the only one. There's Jet and there's the Sam's Club. And they're able to box a lot of the products and sell it at a more reasonable price. What Shop has done, they have gone to the manufacturer and they have their products on our websites, and you can purchase them at a reasonable price and you get cash back.
Mm-hmm. You get paid for it now,
Correct. Yeah. We also have over 3,000 partner stores like Macy's, QVC, Home Depot, Lowe's. There's unbelievable imaginative companies that are out there with their products. There's one place called the Personalization, and you can have anything personalized for a gift. They have companies that offer gift baskets, and you get cash back. And we also have a dental program people can sign up for, and we have a warranty program that'll cover your appliances in your home.
So he has he has different pieces to the business then.
Yes, he's covering everything.
Mm-hmm. Does he do you have like sales, do you promote different
Yes, they have daily specials. They're on the website, and anybody can open up a free account and they can see what these specials are.
So actually it's almost like a QVC also, where QVC you just go on and do it, but here you make it a little more convenient. I don't necessarily have to shop at QVC. I can now say, oh, wait a second, let me go to Macy's. Is that a good idea? A good scenario?
That's a good idea, but the thing you would want to shop by is the product.
Okay.
Whether you purchase, we have an associate program that goes with shop.com. It's called the Shop Buddy. Now, if you're looking for a 42-inch TV, you could go on to Best Buy, and in the upper right-hand corner, there'll be a blue S symbol for shop.com. Mm-hmm. You click on that, and whether it's Best Buy or shop.com or Macy's or anybody, they'll bring up the websites that has that same product at a cheaper price.
Oh, that's really interesting then. So
yeah.
They're shopping for you price-wise also.
Correct.
They make it, it really sounds like they make it very convenient for you, and that's what we're looking for. The consumer's looking for convenience also.
Yes, it's very convenient. The other thing they have to go along with it, where you're getting cash back as a customer, they have their own credit card. And you receive say you were going to go to Best Buy and buy an item, and from the shop.com site, going to Best Buy, you would get 2% cash back.
Mhm.
If you end up using the shop.com credit card, you'll also get another 3% back. So your savings without even realizing it.
You haven't even left your home and you're saving.
Right.
That's why, again, I'm emphasizing on the convenience.
Yes. People don't realize what it costs. Like my brother-in-law lives up in Maine, and him and his wife, they like a certain cup of coffee, but that shop is 30 miles away, a good half hour. So say the cup of coffee is only $2.
Mm-hmm.
Now you got to think about the price of gas and the time.
Mm-hmm.
So the actual cost of that product could be around $10.
Oh, easy. Yes.
Yeah.
So they, in turn, is this a place where they would purchase the coffee or not? Like, see, I'm thinking in my head a coffee shop.
Yeah, coffee shop, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Instead of buying the pods, they go out and they buy the real thing.
Yeah, go for the real McCoy. So,
Yeah.
What you're saying is too that you could, purchase this particular coffee you want and have it in your home.
Correct.
And then, you make your own little cafe yourself at home.
Yeah. Yeah. And we should all thank Amazon. I know I'm not a big supporter of Amazon, but
I don't want to go there.
no, they have a great program. It is a great
do.
program. But what they have established is that now these other companies, merchants and manufacturers, in order to compete, they have to offer the free shipping or lower price.
Right, one or the other, in order to stay in business. But
Yeah.
let me just revert back to Amazon. Your favorite.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
I do a lot of shopping on Amazon.
I know.
gotta put that out to the audience right now.
My friend Jeannie.
My best friend is shopping at Amazon. The latest thing that Amazon has now is, voila, forget taking the family out for an excursion to buy their tree.
Yeah.
Mail it to you now.
And I was looking at their site this morning, okay,
Yeah.
prepping for the radio, and I put in a search for a 42-inch TV. But then I also noticed they have a home service business now. And one thing I was looking at is to put in a thermostat.
Okay.
The next town over, Leesburg, to have somebody from Amazon Service install a thermostat is $120.
Wow.
Because we live in the villages, it was $202.
Oh, okay. Inflation already.
Inflation 5 miles away. but you also have to buy the thermostat.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
And then now, I'm not clever enough to put a thermostat in, but anyways, wouldn't it be logical to, find someone in your local area?
Yes, but the thing is you have to search around.
Okay. That's what you're showing.
Right.
Do your due diligence.
Yes.
Yeah. So there will be no more thermostat in your house for $200 and some odd.
Right. We'll build a fire in the middle of the floor if we need to.
There you go. But I mean, on the whole, but there's something else that shop.com does, and it has the restaurants. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's their shop local program. It's not necessarily restaurants, but there are also other merchants like Jiffy Lube, Baskin Robbins.
Mm-hmm.
They've recently signed up. They're negotiating with McDonald's and Burger King, Denny's throughout the country. The ones that are owned by the corporation, you get cash back.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you use your shop.com card, you're going to get more cash back.
More cash back, true. So what it's showing is that not only can you buy merchandise, but you can also, take your family out to dinner.
Correct.
And you pay back an extra amount at whatever a percentage that you're given. So, whether it's $1 or $2, you keep doing that. That adds up.
It does. And we joke about one of the partner programs is eHarmony. Okay. They'll give you, yeah. They'll give you 50% off on their program.
Yeah.
And you meet this individual, you go to a shop local restaurant. So if things don't work out, at least you save money.
There you go. You saved on eHarmony.
Yeah.
You got some cash back. What kind of world can you have?
Yeah. But we recently did a program with Mobile Oil.
Uh-huh.
And they had set aside 3 months of financing to allow people from shop.com to purchase gas. They figured it would take 3 months for them to go to the funds. And within 2 weeks, because we have a lot of consumer power, they went through the monies.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Were they surprised?
They were very surprised. Consumer power is building.
Of course it is. It's in volume. It's power in numbers, and that's what drives the economy. Is for individuals that you have a group of people that can spend, and then you have more power from it.
Correct. Like a lot of people will say, well, we can get cash back at Ebates. Well, that's true. You can.
Yeah.
But a couple of things with Ebates is you can only draw the money out once a quarter, I believe. Okay?
Yeah.
They don't have as many partner stores as we do. But you're an individual trying to get the best deal. Whereas you go shopping with shop.com,
Mm-hmm.
you have 6 million people, so they can negotiate a better price.
Mm. And don't forget, we're coming into the fall, meaning Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. And by the power of your little fingers, you could probably do a lot of your shopping.
You could, yes.
Yeah. And so you did say that they can sign up free, right?
Correct.
Purchase from the site, whichever way they want.
Yeah.
And, if they wanted to become part of the team, how would they do that?
They would purchase what we call an unfranchise. Okay, you have all the requirements of a franchise, but you don't have the headaches. You don't have to worry about stocking products.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about employees. You don't need a building. A lot of the products are drop shipped, and you get the tax benefits of having a business.
Correct. Now so it's easy. It sounds like it's very easy to join if you wanted to. There's the opportunity to start a business without going to all the kind of hassles that someone would do to start a brick and mortar.
Right. But I would strongly recommend to open up a free account first. Use the system. Make sure you're happy with it.
Right.
Because there are requirements when you own the business.
Okay, I'm sure it's like anything, any company that you join, there are requirements, and maybe, and as they get more accustomed to it, maybe they would, reach out to whoever recommended them to do this and get more information.
Yeah, we have our own line of products: the isotonics, the Motos Cosmetics, the Lemure facial cream, anti-aging products.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one is the debt shredder. I joined that last year. It's something that you don't believe it when you see it working. When I signed up, we had 12 years left on the mortgage, plus the car payment and some credit card payments.
Mm-hmm.
When I did the analysis with the debt shredder, that knocked me right down to 5 years and 2 months.
Really? That's interesting.
It is. They use the bank algorithms, and what they do is you need two accounts, a checking account and a savings account.
Mm-hmm.
And They'll tell you when to make the payments and how much.
Oh, so it has, obviously it's working with the interest then.
Yes, yes. It's interest cancellation.
Mhm.
In the year and a half that I've been with them, I've saved almost $7,000 in interest.
I think that would be something that people would be really interested in looking into.
Yeah.
So do you have a website or something that they can go to, Rick?
Yes, the website is www.theshopsatshop.com.
And is that's your personal site?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And any information you want, it's on there too, how to contact you and all that information.
Yes.
Mhm. And let me see, we should go on, if you don't mind, can we go on to the card business?
Sure, I know you'd be interested in that. you would not believe what's coming. It's
Well, I mean, I'm not even going to mention what I would like,
yes. Yeah. That's not in the works right now, but maybe in the future.
Well, I hope so.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to mention it because I want people to wonder what it is.
Right.
I'm put a contest on it and try to figure out what it is that it's making me giving me a nightmare about the card company. I think all the cards and everything are great on it. I really do,
Yeah.
But you should tell the name because I destroy it. I cannot
Yeah.
understand why they called it this name. Please give the explanation after you say it.
It's called Pixingo because a penguin is very family orientated, and they're very personable animals.
I call it pig single. I don't know what the heck I call it,
You got it right that time.
I think so. And that was really by accident. It's not going to happen again. But, just talk about, what cards mean to you and to promote it and have a way of keeping in contact with your customers, or maybe there's a sale going on, or there may be many reasons why.
Yeah. Cards are very personable. And it's very easy. It's inexpensive. These accounts are also free. If you go to some of the card stores, you're talking anywhere from $5 to $7 for a card.
Oh, yes, yes.
You can send one of our cards or design your own for $2 plus the postage.
Okay.
You can add a gift. You can add a gift card, or you can combine both of them and add them. Now, with the new system that's coming out, it's going to be a lot more friendlier to use. If you're interested in designing your own cards,
Me.
yeah.
I raised my hand.
Okay. If you wanted to add a picture to it, you can. And with the new system, you can click on 4, 5, or 6 pictures, and it'll all be added into the card anywhere you want it. And if some of your pictures are vertical and not horizontal, you can click on a button and it'll change the layout of the card.
Yeah.
Rotate the card. So you're going from a horizontal to a vertical to a horizontal.
Mm-hmm.
They have large folded cards. They have a large flat card. They have a small folded one. And they have a small flat one, like a postcard.
Uh-huh.
And if you own a business, you can put your information on the back of the card.
I'm going to leave for 1 second. Go ahead, keep talking.
Okay.
You got the mic.
I'm not used to talking to nobody.
I should have put a little puppet in there. I have to show everyone what the card looks like.
Yeah.
Isn't that a nice card?
Yeah.
But look at, and then it's, it goes into a little envelope. But I just thought that was terrific having that card. Really.
Yeah, they are great. I mean, I got this one here from.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. so grateful.
Oh, yeah, that's terrific. Now, you really have to tell the benefit of this.
And one more first, though. I use this one here for introducing people to Shop Local. It
Oh, very good.
explains the whole system.
Is that the tall card?
Yes. Yeah.
Is that the tall card, the big one?
That's the 8x5, yes.
8x5, yeah. My reasons, I think why I think it's a good deal. I really, because I was doing, I how I like send out cards too.
Yes.
And I really do love creating my own cards. But the best part about it is that if I'm up at 10 o'clock at night and I said, oh my gosh, so-and-so's birthday is coming up pretty soon. Well, I can whip a card out, and as far as I know, as soon as I hit the click to send, it's gone.
Yep.
It's the convenience of it too.
Right.
And especially if you have a huge, you want to send out a lot of cards to friends at the holiday time. For car dealerships, I think it would be great for car dealerships because, you take, once a person comes in and buys the car, you can take a picture of it and say, thank you very much. I mean, you can thank everyone for it, or you can send them an anniversary card. There are so many ways you can use this as a business.
Yes, they have a lot of marketing campaign programs, like for insurance companies, real estate, banks, dentists.
Yeah. And because advertising, putting your advertising in a magazine, it's good and everything, but if you send a actual card to someone, they're going to keep it around and they're going to remember you.
Yes, and not only that, when you go to the post office, when you pick up your flyers and your mail, what's the first thing you do with the flyer, an advertising flyer?
I dump them.
You dump them. Everybody throws them away. But a card is opened 99% of the time.
Correct. Yeah. So it's a good advertising for people. Not only that, for families if they want to send out Christmas cards and stuff, but it just depends on what they want to use it for. And I really do think it's an excellent tool. I really do love the cards. I like creating them, and I always, I had more ability, which I really don't feel I do in the other company. But hopefully it picks and go, or whatever.
Fix and go. you will like the new interface. Brian went over it last night. It's going to be a lot easier to use. There's a lot more stuff that they're adding on.
Yeah.
They should be coming out with the upgrade by the end of this month.
Yeah. Yeah. Just in time for the holidays then.
Yes.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah.
And they have three programs. One is that you get a free basic account, and those cards would cost you $3 plus the stamp. I'm talking about the large card.
Right.
Then they have the wholesale account. That's either $18 or $39 a month, depending on what you want. Mm-hmm. And those cards they start at $1.29.
Mm-hmm. That's really great.
Not stop, but that's the highest price plus the postage. Mm-hmm. Where can you get a card for $1.79 mailed?
And you didn't have to go to the post office.
No.
See,
you didn't even have to go to the card store.
Now, do you have a website for this, Rick?
Yes. It's pixingo.com/Rick.
Now, we should ask people to send their their addresses in, and you can send them a card.
Yeah. Or if they go to the website, yeah, their first card is free, so they can try out the system.
Oh, that's excellent. Very good.
Doesn't cost them a penny.
Well, that's good to know. So here we go. We're talking about two different businesses, but still providing convenience.
Correct.
And not going out. Like I know that I would love to, have a card. You can create a card, right?
Yeah.
And then, for the holidays, then have this car running around looking for a parking space.
I was downloading some pictures to start making a Halloween card to send out.
Oh yeah. I was thinking of that too, because I have some pictures of people that decorate over here in Dedham with kinds of ghosts and goblins on their trees and stuff like that. So I have those. I took those last year or the year before. You know,
Yeah.
those are interesting. I think it's phenomenal if you can create your own. But you know, I don't want to take more of your time up. Is there anything else that we should discuss, or you want the audience to know about?
No, everything is fine. I appreciate you having me on.
Yeah.
If they have any questions, they can contact me at rick2071@gmail.com.
Yes, that's good. And you know, maybe I would think it would be very for me, anyways. I'm not sure if you'd be probably if we get close to the holiday, maybe we can do another interview, but we'll share the screen and you can show us some of the things that are, you know, how easy it is to get on, and, you know, show them sometimes like around the holidays, you know, or Thanksgiving, to, you know, to be able to go on and just show them how quickly they can purchase a product. I think that
Yes.
would be I think that would be very good. It's just like a show and tell.
Yes. Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, I think closer to the holidays, you know, you really, you know, give me some times and we'll do a half an hour show again and, you know, see how it works.
Yeah, we can do some comparison shopping.
Yeah, that would be great to put in, like, go to Best Buy or something like that and show the price there and then hit that little button that you have for the shop
Yeah.
and then show the comparisons. And I think people will understand more about how economically it is beneficial for them to use a product like this.
Right. And I strongly suggest that people would go to the website, whether it's mine or somebody else's, at the shops at shop.com,
Yeah.
open up a free account. And the first thing you want to do is download Shop Buddy.
Shop Buddy? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because then you can go right to Google and you can put in whatever you're looking for, and the Google will come up with different sites. And if they got that big blue S beside it, that's where you can get a discount and cash back.
Oh, that's terrific.
You have to open up the free account because shop.com, they track all your purchases. They'll even remind you if you're running low on products.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I haven't done much shopping on Amazon right now, but I know in my building here,
Yeah.
they have, there's a lot of people that buy on shop.com, and you know, I'm not shop.com, Amazon. But maybe if you had some brochures or something that I could put out on over here and where I am.
Yeah.
It wouldn't hurt, you know, just to put it out there, you know, and, you know, have people, you know, if I'm talking to them, I can hand it to them and say, you know, I noticed that you're using Amazon. I have something else that's just as good, if not better.
Yeah.
You know, and here is the website. If you could send me like a flyer or something like that, or I can, you know, you can download it to me and I can print it off or something, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I just thought of that right now. I don't even know why. I've never done it before. I never thought of it. But I think that would be a good idea, you know.
Yeah. I've done some comparison shopping, and I put them up on Facebook and Twitter, is because I buy a lot of groceries online, except for the fresh produce. I get that locally at the farmer's market.
Yeah.
But the last one I did, there were 10 different items.
Uh-huh.
There were 10 items, the same item on each site, our partner site or Amazon, and we were $30 cheaper,
Mm-hmm.
and the shipping was free.
Yes. Well, don't you think sometimes, I just have to jump in, don't you think sometimes we just get so like me?
Yeah.
Oh, let me go to Amazon, you know,
Yeah.
instead of saying, oh, God, I should have gone to shop.com and done it. But it's only, you know, just recalculating my brain, you know, that I can do something similar and still save some money.
Yes, you have to change the way you're shopping. Whether you buy it from Shop, Amazon, or one of these other, you want the best deal for you.
Right. Yeah, I agree. Also, I think they have the similar shipping. Do they have the shipping? Does it take a few days, a few weeks? Or?
I get my groceries in 2 days.
in 2 days. That's not bad at all.
No, no.
Well, that's like having Prime,
Yeah,
really, when you think
With-
about it, because Prime.
without paying for it. And, and the saying is, you're spending the money anyways. Why not pay yourself?
This is true. I know you're trying to educate me on that one. But that's true. So I know we're coming to the end. Have I missed anything to ask you?
No, I just hope that people will try the products. Go to the shops at shop.com or pixingo.com/Rick and look around.
Look around, can't hurt.
Shop. No, send a free card. You're already ahead of the program.
You're already ahead of the game.
Yeah.
I agree with you on that. Well, I want to thank you, Rick, for coming on. I appreciate it. I know you're busy. I'm sure it's busy playing golf, but I'm not telling anyone that.
No, okay.
So I want to thank you for coming on. Is there anything else that you'd like to say before I do a closing?
No, that's it. I thank you very much.
Okay. Well, everyone, I want to thank you all for watching and listening to Rick and discussing, his entrepreneurial business, shop.com and Pixingo or Pixingo. Sorry, folks, I'm not good sometimes. But anyways, this is Jeannie White from Social Connections on Passionate World Radio, and looking forward to seeing you all again. Thank you, everyone. Bye.